to Richo's Hunting Treasures. Today we've got golden egg and
Silverbeard the Grasshopper pirate. And today we're doing an eBay unboxing.
yes.
This is not the approved technique, but this is the way we're going to do it.
Yes. I hope the pirate duck isn't around.
I hope he's not around either. He's always trying to steal all our treasure, isn't he?
Yeah.
You got the knife there, Don? Oh, I got it. Here we go. Here we go. Da-na-na-na-na. Ah, it's another bag. Hope it's not a bag in a bag in a bag in a bag in a bag.
That'd be pretty funny. Yeah, it is.
It's looking pretty good though.
Yeah, it looks like there's a bunch of
Do you want to cut the tape on there?
Oh, here.
That's it.
Attack.
Attack. Yeah, hold that. There you go.
Got like a cool card.
Oh, look at that. What's the camera? We got coins. We got coins.
So there's more.
Here we go. You ready? We're going to do the big paw.
Hopefully pirate duck can't hear this.
I hope you don't hear it either. Weehaw! Awesome. Check it out, everybody. We've got plenty of coins for our pirate show now. Awesome. Got half of them for Gregory Lee and the other half's for us. So
Wow.
we've got a good little collection of coins there. So we've got florins. Got some nice florins. We've got some shillings.
Got some florins there, some
We've got
shillings there.
sixpences and threepences. Look at them all. Yeah! Oh, don't you just love that sound of silver?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Sound of silver. The sound of silver. Oh, I love it. Do you want a florin?
Yes, please.
Yeah, you can have that one.
Thank
I'll
you.
give you that one for being such a good girl. Alright, everybody. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. And if you want to get some of these coins, you can come and see us on our Pirate Booty Wheel of Doom. Look out, no pirate ducks here again. Pirate duck! Alright, everybody. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. If you want to join our pirate crew, don't forget to subscribe and smash the bell. Pirate duck!